In India, millions are living on streets, and having one's own home is a dream for them.
We are currently building large-scale buildings or structures using 3D printing. Here in this particular case, we are talking about building an entire toilet module or a structure or a building or a house using 3D printing. A house that people can live in, or toilets that people can use that we have massive use for in our country.
Daily, we print pictures of so many objects on the paper. Wouldn't it be interesting if these objects themselves could be printed in reality? This is what 3D printing is all about.
As far as construction is concerned, 3D printing can be used to print basic as well as complex structural shapes. If you think about the real advantages over conventional construction, 3D printing can save considerable amount of time and cost, especially in the construction of vertical elements such as columns and walls, where you can do a layer-wise build-up quite effectively without the need for any form work that is required in construction which is done conventionally.
As regards to construction, we are heavily dependent on the resources such as labours. There is no automation in the construction industry per se.
Now, form work is a time and cost consuming aspect of construction process. If this can be completely avoided by 3D printing, one can achieve a lot of productivity in terms of manufacturing such components like walls and columns.
This new technology is completely digital and automated. The design is fed into the 3D printer as a 3D computer graphic, and the printer can trace out the path for printing and executing automatically.
3D printing at this point of time might be a little more costly than conventional technologies, but we are aiming at bringing it down over a period of time. The golden line that we are talking about, or the threshold that we are targeting, is 1,500 rupees per square feet for an affordable house, and we aim to achieve this target within the next 3 years.
பட் நான் வாங்குற சேலரிக்கு என்னால் இப்போதைக்கு என்னால் வீடு வாங்க முடியல. लोन के लिए सोचा, बाकी तो कुछ सोच नहीं पा रहा हूँ.
अभी हम लोग कितना 100-200 रुपये कमाते हैं घर में. अभी हम लोग इतना 2-3 लाख रुपये कोई मांगेंगे तो हम लोग कहाँ से ला देंगे? ऐसा है, इसलिए हम लोग इधर रहते हैं. பாத்ரூம் போகிறதுக்கு கூட வழி கிடையாது, ஒரு கக்கூஸ் கூட கிடையாது இந்த இடத்துல, எதுவுமே கிடையாது. ரொம்ப கஷ்டமாக இருக்கு எங்களுக்கு.